Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. My name is Carly and this is my channel Sewscape, and today I have a little fabric haul for you guys. So I have thrifted a bunch of fabrics this past month or so from a few different trips to a few different thrift stores, and I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I've found. So the first thing I found was quite the score. So this is a pink corduroy, and I think the color is so cute. I love it. It's showing up a little more kind of like blue toned on camera, a cooler pink, but it's definitely more of like a corally pink. Rosary Apparel on her channel just sewed up a pair of pink corduroy pants, and I love them so much. I kind of did an inspired look with a mustard colored corduroy pant. I'll pop in a picture right over here. And I love that pair of pants. I don't know if I should just remake them, do the same exact thing, and use this kind of pink corduroy. I think that'd be lovely. The last few times I've gone to the thrift store, I have found so much corduroy, and I feel like it's coming back in style. So I wonder if people are getting rid of their corduroy and they're gonna regret it. I hope not, but anyways, my gain, I guess. It's so beautiful. I love the color pink. I feel like I suit it when I have a bit of a tan in the summertime, and then when I go pale in the winter, I think it will be okay too, depending on how I kind of do my makeup and stuff. And right next to that lovely pink corduroy was this beautiful kind of chiffon-y polyester material. So, oh, I forgot to say, this corduroy, there is about 2¼ meters. So that should be perfect for a pair of pants. It is only, I think, 44 inches wide. It's quite narrow, so I'll have to be a little creative on how I cut it, but I think I should be able to squeeze maybe a cropped pant out of it, or like a slimmer leg, so not as quite wide leg as my last pair, but I think that'll be gorgeous. So there's also 2 meters of this chiffon here, or I don't know if it's chiffon, what you would call it, but it's very sheer. I'll show you here so you can see me through it. I think that would make the cutest kind of like maybe a flutter sleeve blouse or something, even just like a cami, like kind of like what I have now, lining it. Maybe I'll be able to kind of squeeze both out of it, kind of a more of a sleeve fancier version, and then more of a casual version for at home. But look here, if I drape this on the top, love these colors. And then with these pink pants on the bottom, would I look like a marshmallow or would it look cute? I think it would look cute. I love it. And so, oh, the price tag is still on this one. It's been in the back of my trunk, and we've been on a lot of beach days, so everything is a little bit sandy. So this was $7. Sometimes I find even when you're thrifting, it doesn't save you that much money, but you're still kind of doing a good thing for the environment when you're buying something that was somebody else's. And let's see this one, if the tags are still on it. This one was $9, so that's a steal. A pair of pants for $9, you can't beat it. So the next thing I found was this olive linen blend. So it is woven like linen, but I think there might be a little bit of a polyester content in it. I'm not too sure. I don't know if this color is for me, but it felt really nice, really soft, and I feel like after I wash it, it'll soften up even more. And there was a ton of this fabric. So same thing, this is a 44-inch wide. And let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 meters of this. So I don't know if I'll need 7 meters of this, but same thing here. The price tag is on this one. Let me look. It was $9, but 7 meters of a linen blend for $9, you cannot beat it. I wonder if someone bought this to do like upholstery in their house, make a bunch of pillows or something. But we will see what I end up making out of this, but it folds really kind of nicely. So I wonder, something with a sleeve that's kind of like pleated like this, that would be cute. Any kind of pleated detail I feel would hold really great in this fabric. And yes, I don't know, maybe it's not my color, but worst case scenario, it'll end up being a wearable toile. The next thing that I found was this denim. And not often do I find denim at the thrift store, but this is a bed sheet. This was somebody's duvet cover, and it's a denim duvet cover. So it's twin size. It's quite worn, like it has been washed a lot, you can tell. But it's this lovely kind of lightweight. I don't know if it would be a true denim or more of a chambray, but it has a few seams in it, so I would either have to take that into consideration and kind of cut my pattern pieces around it, or use the seam in it as a design detail. Right now I'm working on a pair of pants from the Berta August issue, the wide leg trousers that are on the front cover of the magazine. I love them. I'm making them out of a green twill, so I'm going to be documenting that process, so stay tuned. It might come out before this video, it might come out after this video, we will see. But if I love that pair of pants, I'll see if maybe I'll make it out of this denim too. And this, let's see if the price tag is on this. So this was $11, but it's a twin bed sheet. There's tons of fabric that can be harvested from it. And then the back is just kind of a light blue cotton fabric, so that could be used maybe as just like wearable toile, maybe just toile. We'll see how it goes. It doesn't look to be like stained and it's quite soft, but yeah, that's nice actually. A 2-for-1 fabric. And my next fabric is this pinstripe suiting. So when it comes to this time of the year, I'm shopping for a lot of black fabrics, a lot of worky type fabrics. So I came across this pinstripe cotton suiting. It has no stretch to it, so I feel like this would make a beautiful blazer. I have never made a blazer before. Stripes, every time I use them, I end up kind of cutting something crazy. I never match up the stripes quite right. So I only have 1.5 meters of this. So I'm not sure if I could squeeze a blazer out of it, but maybe if it was cropped, maybe if it had a 3/4 sleeve. But taking into account that I would have to match up some stripes, I will definitely make sure I have enough before I cut into this. If not, I think it would make a beautiful skirt. I think maybe it would make a dress. It would have to be same thing. I would have to make sure I have enough fabric to line up all the stripes. But it is lovely. I can't wait to sew something up with this. And then I have this. They actually found this in the back of the salon at work. I don't know if it was used as a tablecloth or something, but they were doing a big clear out and they're like, oh, do you want this? So it is so glittery, so lovely. I think it would make a really cute bias cut top or something. It's very floaty, so I probably wouldn't even have to cut it on the bias. I recently made something from, what issue was it? Maybe the July issue of Berta Style, and it was a kind of faux bias cut cami top. And I think this would maybe make a really cute top, and it glitters in the light. But my son has also been bugging me for a cape. So this would make a really cute cape. This is definitely very like plasticky. It doesn't feel great on the skin, but glitter, I'm a sucker for glitter. Even like long sleeves, Halloween costume of some sort. There's only probably maybe 1 meter, like if I cut this open, and 44 inches wide, like not that big, but we could make something with it, right? And then I have this kind of plain chiffon-y fabric. I think this will be a beautiful something. I could probably get a dress out of this or a top out of this. I would have to line it because it's so sheer, but it's beautiful. I love it. Just very drapey, very flowy. Gorgeous. And then my last fabric that I got was actually right beside it, and it's very similar fabric, but it's polka dot, and I am a sucker for polka dots. I love them. So this is kind of same, more chiffon-y, but this one has wrinkled more. So I have washed these ones and put them away kind of in my stash, and this one has wrinkled more. So I don't know what the content of this one is different from the last one, but they're not exactly the same. When I found them in the store, they felt the same. They were right beside each other. I wondered if someone was gonna make a dress where this was the underlining and then this would go on top of it. But yeah, maybe that was the plan. I feel like the thrift store that I normally shop in, I think they do a wonderful job of kind of lining everything up, and maybe they organize it that way so like collections go together. I wonder if they put that much thought in it, but wow, it is so wonderful. So I can't wait to make something out of this. Same thing, it will either be like a super drapey skirt or a top of some sort, or maybe even a dress. I would love to maybe combine the two of these together and make something, or make something separate. Only time will tell. I haven't gotten my September issue of Berta Style yet, so I haven't really done a full plans of what I'm planning to sew next month, but I'm sure something will inspire me. So now I've created Fabric Mountain over here. I want to say thank you to everyone for watching this video, for checking out my fabrics, and I hope you guys have the best rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your summer, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.